everyone, this is Camille. Welcome back to our channel Try to DIY, and today we're gonna do that. So today I'm going to show you how I created a giant vase with leftover materials from a renovation or construction. And don't worry, if you're currently not remodeling your house, the material that I'm going to show you in this video is very easy to get from any hardware store. It will still end up being cheaper for you to purchase this material than purchasing a giant vase anywhere.
The base I will be using to build this vase is a PVC pipe, which can be of any length depending the result you want to get. Then to build the skeleton, you will need some cardboard, and from there you can go with any shape you want. You'll just need to trace 1/2 of what you want the vase to look like. And once you're happy with that shape, you'll have to cut it multiple times to glue them around the pipe. And for this project, I cutted exactly 16 cardboard shapes. I lightly sanded the pipe to make sure that the glue was going to hold between the cardboard and the plastic. And here's my special tip. I used 2 different types of glue on the cardboard. One that is drying quick to hold the pieces together so you can move on into your project, and one that's drying slowly but that will be sturdier and will hold better in time. The next day, I used painter tape to join all the pieces together and fill the gaps between them. And I feel like it ended up looking like a huge Chinese paper lamp. I reinforced it by adding some more paper tape, but vertically this time. Then I'm gluing journal on top of it to make it even sturdier. And after adding 3 layers of paper, I'm coating everything with white PVA glue. Once dry, I'm adding plaster on it to give it a more natural texture. I've started with a very liquid version because I was scared about how much weight this could hold. I initially made it very textured, but ended up not liking it, so I sanded it and added more coats of plaster, but this time with the plaster that you should use to mud the walls, I believe. It's a very thick version of it, and it was so much better. I created an off-white color and added some baking soda for an extra texture. And here's the final result.
And that is it for today. I told you the material that we used for this project was going to be very affordable, and I promise the end result is worth all the effort. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave us a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to the channel yet, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification. If you have any question about this DIY, feel free to leave us a comment down below, and in the meantime I will find you on Instagram and on TikTok pretty much daily. And see you soon for a new DIY. Bye bye!